This is the creating a bleed tutorial in Scilab. For this example, I've already gone ahead and created several objects on screen and assigned them various spot foil colors. To avoid registration problems from occurring during printing, we're going to go ahead and apply an inlay weld to these shapes. The reason for doing that is to create a small overlap between the adjacent shapes so that if the registration problem does occur, then the error will not be visible. So to go about doing this, number one, you'll want to make sure that the shapes are selected. We'll want to go to our weld tools and select inlay weld. That opens up our bleed dialog box. Our bleed priority setup is okay. For this example, we will want to increase the bleed distance to 0.2 of an inch, and you'll want to make sure that bleed adjacent objects, bleed big gaps, and merge tints are all selected. So with that being said, we can go ahead and click OK. I'm going to turn off my fill. I'm going to zoom in here, select my zoom tool. You can see the bleed and overlap that has been applied to our objects. So now I'm going to deselect everything, turn my fill back on, and zoom back out. And that brings us to the end of this tutorial.